In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add buttons in Webflow. By the end, you'll be able to place a clean, clickable button on your page and style it so it looks great and guides visitors exactly where you want them to go. First, open your Webflow project in the designer and head to the exact page and section where you want the button to live. It helps to think about the purpose of this button before you place it. Whether it's a primary call to action like get started or a secondary action such as learn more. Knowing that will guide your styling choices and placement so the button stands out appropriately without competing with other elements. Next, open the Add panel in the designer. You'll find the button element among the basic components. Click and drag the button onto your canvas, dropping it into a suitable parent like a section, container, or a specific content block. Placing it inside a well-structured wrapper keeps your layout tidy and responsive. If you want the button centered, select its parent and use alignment controls. A simple approach is setting the parent to flex and centering both horizontally and vertically, but do this thoughtfully so it doesn't affect other content unintentionally. Now it's time to customize. Select the button and change the text to something action-oriented and clear. Short labels like sign up, contact, or download work best. Assign the button's link by choosing an internal page, a specific section on the page, or an external URL. If it goes off-site, consider enabling open in a new tab for better user experience. Give the button a class so you can reuse and update its style consistently across your site. With the class in place, adjust typography for readability, increase padding for a comfortable click target, and set width behavior, auto for a natural fit, or a fixed or max width for more control. Choose background and text colors with strong contrast to maintain accessibility. Add a touch of border radius if you want softer corners, and consider a subtle box shadow or outline for depth. Create a hover state so the button feels interactive. Slight color shifts, a darker background, or bolder text are simple and effective. Keep transitions smooth with a short duration so the change feels intentional, not jarring. Add margins to control spacing from surrounding elements and check alignment in context. Finally, preview your page and spot check the button on tablet and mobile breakpoints. Tweak font size, padding, and alignment so it remains legible and easy to tap on smaller screens. Congratulations! You've added and customized a button in Webflow that's clear, accessible, and ready to guide your users.